Hi, my name is Rebecca Carleen. I'm an instructor at Fort Hays State University in the Allied Health Department within our ultrasound program. I am currently working towards my master's in instructional technology and sadly had to look up the definition of hypermedia. I know hypertext, I guess to me, is a text that you can like hover over or click on to get to another spot, whether it be a URL or a document of some sort. But I wasn't really sure what hypermedia is, and so basically what I found was that it is a hypertext that deals with more music or maybe sound or video, I think. Anyways, I'm sure I'll know more by the end of this, but I really feel like that is important in our instruction day to day. Visual information is just understood at a whole different level than just reading a text, and so when you can click on a word to pull up a picture or an example of something, it just speaks louder than words, I think. And so utilizing hypertext and hypermedia within our instruction really engages our students, but it also provides additional resources for those who need more. So anyways, I'm excited to learn more about hypertext and hypermedia, and excited to meet everyone. Hope you all have a good rest of the semester.